Hi guys, it's Goddess Gal. I actually love reviewing fragrances and makeup, but today it's my first time that I got a designer handbag, and it's one of my dream bags. So I'm kind of excited. I want to do the unboxing video, first impression, and also just a little bit review for my designer bags lover. I don't know, let's unbox it. And it is the Dior saddle bag. And it's so beautiful. This is a big box that they would give you. Alright, I'm so excited. Let me take out this bowl. Thank God. And this is the actual box. This will give you the... Oh, it's a receipt. It's kind of cute. God. Monsieur is revealing. So excited. And by the way, actually, I would like to get the Ultra Matte Black. But I feel like I also want the longevity for this bag. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna keep to make a resale later. I just want it for myself. And for the first bag, I feel like I should get something that would last for super long time. And it's like really to have a dear memory for me. So instead of the Ultra Matte Black, I believe that one is a Calfskin. It's not as strong as the regular one. The regular one is a grain. So I think it's gonna be like harder and stronger, but it's just my opinion. Oh my God, everything looks so luxurious. So what you get in here is this bag. How do you call it? I don't know how to call it. Inside the box, they will give you the card for the salesperson to sell you the bag as well. And right now, it's mandatory to get this strap. It's not the big one, but it's something kind of small. You can change it yourself. So, my goodness. So sturdy what they were having here. So I'm gonna take what they have inside. So, oh my God. So give you this one. Oh, it's a card. Video card. Never in my life. It's a book. Maybe this is how to take care of your hair. And I feel like the gold medals look kind of really beautiful in picture, but in real life, I'm always the black medal. However, it's the first one, like I told you. I want something kind of sturdy and last super long time for me. And it's my first designer bag. I feel so proud of myself. Even though this one can pay my house for 12 months. Anyways, I'm still so proud of myself. Oh my God. So happy. This is strap. I think they increased the price for $300. While if you get the big strap, it is like $1,000 or something. I kind of want that one, but maybe later, because they also give you the strap one. And I also read the reviews that this one, when it cling onto your regular metals, it will scratch. Kind of afraid, but it kind of does. Like, not that flexible when you put this thing on, but you could change your style a little bit. That's what I feel. So I want to test what I can put in here. me put my phone and a book. Uh-oh, couldn't fit a book in here. Gonna put a wallet in here and AirPods and some lipstick. Feel like you still have some space in here, and there's also some space at the back. I feel like these days I don't mind to put a lot of things on. I feel like heavy bags make my shoulder hurt my shoulder. Don't want to take a lot of things at times, so I'm fine with that. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I'm sorry I don't have the real experience, like I have been using this one for a long time. It is my first. I think that's it for my review, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into
My god.
It's an awful
Tell me I'm not pretty, but the prettiest Miss Dior ever.
I'm working on a plan right now to come. Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar